Today is Thursday, May 7th, and it's time to wrap up the week. So I'm going to give you one big announcement, and then I'm going to give you some smaller announcements. And that's how we're going to end the week. All right, here's my big announcement. Are you ready? Are you ready for this? Okay, big announcement. Ready?
Holy understatements, Batman.
Some of you told me in your Flipgrid or alternative writing response, you missed making real art on real paper, like this stuff. So, I hear you. I'm listening.
I'm listening.
Here's what I'm going to start doing. Because I feel like I can't expect you to make artwork at home. Because when I looked at the Google survey results, most of you have a pencil. Most of you have paper. But not all of you. And not all of you have all the art supplies. And I get it. Which is why I've been including little drawing activities in the Pear Deck. So I am going to start posting drawing assignments and art making activities.
What's in it for me?
They're totally optional. They are going to be bonus points. They're going to be worth a lot, but there will be criteria to earn a lot. Okay, so if you do a quick drawing that you didn't take very much time on, you're not going to get a lot of bonus points. If you take a lot of time on it, you are going to get a lot of bonus points. So it is possible that you could skip the Pear Deck.
Holy birthday cake!
And the other assignment, because I do a Pear Deck on Tuesdays and then I do something else on Thursdays typically. If you do a very nice job, you could skip the mandatory required work that week, okay? Or you could do it all and have more than 100% in the grade book. That's up to you. But I will post an optional art challenge every week. And it will be related to what you're learning in the Pear Deck. So if you do the Pear Deck, it might make you even better at your artwork. I will provide videos and things to help you create the artwork. They may be videos I film, or it could be that I found a better one on YouTube. And don't forget that I'm available for live help every Tuesday from 11 to noon and every Thursday from 12 to 1. And we can make an appointment for Google Meets if necessary. Some of you really want to make some real artwork on paper. I get it. I'm giving you the opportunity to do that instead of the online work, instead of the typing work. But if you would rather do the online work and the typing work and you don't want to do the artwork, that's fine too. Because like I said, the art assignment will be optional. So keep a lookout for that. I will post it in the classroom. I'm trying to come up with a name for it. What do you think I should name it? I don't know. Let me know. So that was the big announcement. Now for the small announcements. Just some quick announcements. When you first sign in to Google Classroom, it should show you on the side there things that are due. And due today, because this is Thursday, May 7th, is my Flipgrid assignment that I posted last Thursday. And the Pear Deck is now past due. That was due on Tuesday. If you click Classwork tab, you will see up here I have a notice for picking up your artwork. That is on Tuesday, May 19th. That is a week from Tuesday. 2 weeks from 2 days ago. 1 week from this upcoming Tuesday. So Tuesday, May 19th, 7th graders, from 9:30 to 11, you are permitted to come into the building to pick up any of your belongings. All right? There are some rules here. I'm not going to read them to you. They're there in the classroom for you to read. This is the most important part here. Students will enter through door number 1, where they will be directed by administration to their lockers to remove their items. Administrators will be located inside door number 1 in the main hall. Only 2 students per floor will be permitted at a time in the building for a total of 6 students at any one time. This is for your protection, to keep with the social distancing so no one gets sick. So I just wanted to point that out to you. I also posted here at the top free homework help. So if you're not getting help from us because we're not available, students and qualified professionals and teachers from the University of Akron, they are ready and waiting for your call. Yes, you can get free homework help for social studies, math, English language arts, and science. And all you have to do is click this link in my classroom, and it will take you to the University of Akron's website where you can sign up for that homework help. So you can literally talk to somebody on the phone who is a math genius to help you with your math homework, and that is free. That is free.
Free. Free, free, free.
Under Digital Learning Week 6, that's this week, right now. Started off the week with a Pear Deck on texture. Click this link to do it. Don't forget that there are little audio symbols that you can click on to hear me read the slides to you and explain them verbally if you like. You don't have to click those. If you want to just read it, that's fine. But I want to discourage you from click, 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 click. Don't click through it super fast. You want to know how to answer the questions. Okay, so every slide, I put every slide there in a specific order on purpose to help you fully understand the learning target. If you watch the YouTube videos, if you look at the pictures, if you read the slides, you'll know how to answer the questions perfectly. I see 14 of you have already started and turned this in, so good for you. And then we're just finishing the week off very easy, 2-point assignment. I just want to know, would you rather I post my assignments and materials all at once or throughout the week as I have been doing? So far, 3 of you have said keep it the way it's going with one assignment on Tuesday and the second assignment on Thursdays. But I know that some of you who responded to my flip grid from last week said you don't like that and you would rather have every subject one day a week. So math only happens on Mondays. They post all the work on Mondays and so on. So I'm curious. I want to know about my kids right now. I want to hear from all 66 of you. How would you rather I post the material? All at once or spread out? All right. That's how we wrap up the week. I want to talk to you a little bit about grading the Pear Deck and when I grade it, what you get in return.
You again. What do you want?
As you can see, it took me a long time to grade all of your Pear Decks. Like, I took some time. If you had something wrong, I gave you a comment. But look, I started grading these at 4:45 this afternoon, and I did not finish until 6:15. So I want you to know I really look at your stuff, and I've decided to start putting comments in your Pear Deck takeaways so that you can go back in and fix them to get a higher grade. So this is a Pear Deck takeaway. What a Pear Deck takeaway is on Pear Deck, I can temporarily shut it off and then tell it to generate takeaways. And a Pear Deck takeaway is just basically a printout. It's a printout of every slide and your responses. Now this is a blank one because I'm obviously not going to show someone else's up here. But so when you get to the places where Pear Deck asks you to respond, like here, create a drawing of a lot of negative space, it will actually put a picture of your drawing right there for me and for you, because every Pear Deck takeaway is a co-owned document. You own it and I own it, so it's shared between us. So you can actually go in and change your answers here if you want, or you can log back into the Pear Deck and change it on the Pear Deck app. That's up to you. If you change it on the Pear Deck app, it won't change this printout because this is like a printout. This was printed on the date and time that it was made, and you can't change it. But you can go back in and still work on your Pear Deck, and then just comment me or email me and tell me you want me to look at it again. But what's great is I can leave you comments like this, and I can say, you left this blank. That way you can go back in and you could answer on here. Here is my answer. Or you could go back into the Pear Deck and change it. And then again, just let me know that you changed it. But this is, I feel like, the best way to give you feedback. This is literally taking what you made and grading it on paper and giving it to you. And what's great is you get a copy of all your little drawings that you made too. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Yes, you can get free homework help. Yes, you can get free homework help from... And after I grade it, how you know how you did. I say ready a lot. Anything else I have?
This finishes it. You'll never see me again. Goodbye.